How to see WhatsApp DP if not in contacts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you if we can see WhatsApp DP of if they are not in our contacts or not. So first thing what you can do is, so let me just show you an example by simply adding a new person who is not in my contacts. So as you can see, this person is not in my contacts, so when I try to access its profile picture, it's not showing. So let me just first add it to my contact for this person. So let me just add him as a here. So once you add that particular person, you should be seeing the profile picture of that particular person. But as you can see, this person hasn't uploaded any profile picture for himself, so I can't show you that its profile picture. But if they have set it their profile picture, then once you add them to your contact list, you can easily view their profile picture just like this. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.